Free How to Start a Cleaning Business ebook. This video is a brief overview of how to start a cleaning business. If you would like a more comprehensive guide, we have a PDF ebook that we will send you for free. Give this video a like and comment below to show your support for the channel. Drop us an email. Our email is in the description box. We will then send you this How to Start a Cleaning Business ebook PDF to your email for free. The book is a comprehensive guide for anyone looking to start a domestic cleaning business. It covers all the key aspects of starting your cleaning business and provides practical advice and examples to help you navigate the process. As you can see on screen, it has 8 full chapters and 41 pages of comprehensive information. It will be something that you get to keep so you have reference information on hand. It is written by Diane Greenwood from the DCBN Cleaning Network in the UK. The link to their website is in the book and is also down below in the description box. Like, subscribe and share. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning news, tips and ideas. Please share this video to help our channel and get this information to others who may have an interest in starting their own cleaning business. 5 steps for starting a cleaning business. Step 1. Know your market. When you're looking to start a cleaning business, you should research the other businesses in the area and the services they offer. If they're working in the same market as you, what extra services can you offer? You can also look into offering incentives on your pricing to encourage repeat customers. Part of your research must include reading reviews on Yelp and Google to see what people's main compliments and complaints are. If customers want more flexible options, you can fill that gap in the market. Step 2. Choose your specialty. Based on your market research, you'll then need to determine an area of focus for your business. Is there higher demand for commercial services in your area, or residential? Where do you have the least competition? The route you choose will determine what kinds of training you'll need and what insurance to carry, so choose carefully. Commercial cleaning services. A commercial cleaning business handles spaces like offices, hospitals, schools, retail storefronts, and other large spaces where businesses operate. This service is providing cleaners to large businesses that need to keep everything clean and in order, so people can move through the spaces easily. To clean spaces like these, you may need specialized equipment. It's also likely that you'll have to work overnight in order not to interrupt the company's daily business operations and enroll your cleaners in classes or obtain certifications. These are especially important in any location that requires extra care with biohazards or sterile environments. Your cleaning team will need to go in with a regular routine and they will have to know what they're doing. Having a well-trained, professional team is crucial for commercial cleaning. Domestic cleaning services. Domestic cleaning entails working in people's homes or residential spaces. You'll likely get more direction from your client because it's their personal space and they might have different specifications week by week. Your cleaners will have to be adaptable and respectful to the client's home. Residential cleaners also have to be more detail-focused and keep track of the ways that rooms are arranged. Step 3. Generalist or niche. Even after you pick to pursue the consumer or commercial cleaning route, you can still choose to specialize within that field. As a commercial cleaner, you could specialize in cleaning schools and using cleaning materials that are certified to be safe for children. If you're hoping to work in medical centers, you'll want to stock up on specialized materials and cleaning practices for medical centers. You could also specialize in pubs, clubs, leisure centers, or even factories. Step 4. Set your rates. In the UK, there are a couple of ways to set rates for a cleaning business. Hourly or flat rate. Hourly and flat rates work for either commercial or consumer cleaning. It could be prudent to start with an hourly rate for residential homes, and then calculate a flat rate offering based on how long it takes your cleaners to finish an average single-family home. Step 5. Budget for transport, equipment and more. Budgeting in the beginning requires thinking through all of the stages the employees of your business will go through in the cleaning process. If you need any specialized equipment, you'll want to invest in it upfront so you can get started immediately. Special equipment like floor waxers might require training for your employees as well. In addition to transporting equipment, you may also need to provide transportation for your employees. But even if you expect employees to find their own way to the job site, a qualified individual from your company should oversee the transport of the materials and make sure they get from home to the job site.
Remember to grab your copy of our comprehensive How to Start a Cleaning Business ebook. Click the link in the description box, and we will send the PDF ebook for free, with all the information you need to help you start up and become successful. Please give this video a thumbs up and share to help the channel. Also subscribe for more cleaning news, tips, and ideas. Thank you.
A transportation budget should be an early consideration. Cleaning equipment will be an expense. In addition to specialized cleaning equipment, you'll need a stock of cleaning materials like cloths, brooms, vacuum cleaners, mops, disinfectants, protective equipment for employees and much more. It's important to keep these well stocked, especially during a busy week, in case of any supply chain shortages or other random occurrences. How to advertise and find clients. Once you decide how niche or general your offerings are going to be and what kind of cleaning you're going to do, you can start to develop a marketing plan. First, identify your target clients. You'll want to advertise your services in places where your clients congregate, online or in person. For cleaning family homes, you can advertise on websites like Nextdoor or social media such as Facebook or even Google Ads. Putting up flyers in local businesses or delivering them door to door are other ideas. For commercial cleaning services, you'll be looking into signing larger contracts with property managers. You can start looking into who owns various properties you think are in need of better cleaning services and reach out to the owners to pitch your services. Asking what they need and finding a way to carry out that need will serve you well in the long run. A customer relationship management (CRM) program can help you keep track of clients' contact information, specific requirements, and more. As you expand your business, many options also sync with invoicing software so that you can easily bill your clients for your work. Check out our video 5 benefits of using a cleaning service app for your businesses for a deeper delve into why CRM applications can help your business operations and growth.